Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor, and today we're going to be looking at the Humble Bundle, which is the Synty game assets, and it's the 5th one they've ever released on Humble Bundle. And we'll look through all of these today, and I'm going to give you some quick details on other bundles and features you can find. So if you do check out Humble Bundle, I'll put all the links, but there's a few that you can get hold of. The Synty one, as I mentioned. There's a new soundtrack, legendary soundtrack bundle, Learn Godot if that's interesting, some game dev tools and a mega bundle there, Learn Unity 2025 and a Unity and Unreal Engine bundle. As you can see, the legendary soundtrack has 40 different items with different music packs that you can use in games, game dev mega bundle and tools that just comes with a load of environments and different animations. The Learn Unity 2025 is from Game Dev TV with lots of things for inventories, RPGs, multiplayer and networking and other things that you can learn. And the Unreal Engine and Unity bundle is a bunch of realistic environments suitable across all different pipelines, and I do have a full video showcasing all of those too, and I'll link that down in the description too if you're interested. You can also check out the Unity Asset Store at the moment, and it's their fall edition for their Fresh Asset Sale, which is 50% off popular fresh assets which are new to the store, and you can also get an additional 10% off if you spend $50 or more using the code SEPT2025. And while you're watching this, be sure to throw a like on the video, make sure you subscribe because it helps me out massively, and if you want to show additional support, join my Patreon to get access to over 230 different scripts, assets and projects that you cannot find anywhere else. So with that being said, we'll take a look at the Synty bundle, which is the 3, 8 or 17 items. There is 16 different Synty assets because the 17th one is a $10 voucher for their store page. If you do pick the 17 item bundle, it is $26 or around $30 or just slightly more if you want to get hold of that. And I'm just going to run through these separately. It's got the apocalyptic interface with over 180 prefabs and animations, so you can blend the UI with gameplay with 650 different icons and loads of HUDs, FX, crosshair and so many more in there. We've got the Polygon Kaiju pack, which is a set of fully rigged and animated ready monsters in their classic style where it's King Kong or something like you would see in Pacific Rim. We've got the Horror Carnival, which is over 465 unique prefabs with 10 different sample scripts to turn your carnivals to life, with loads of customizations to have lots of tents, booths, Ferris wheels, and other things that you can find in a spooky carnival. We've also got the Polygon Casino, with hundreds of different prefabs and assets in here. It's got everything from modular casinos with all the different slot machines and everything that go within it, and hotels and drive-through weddings, which is everything you expect to see in a Las Vegas or a casino style theme. We've got the base locomotions package, which is perfect for your next character controller. So it's got essential animations that you need, whether that's running, jumping, slides, transitions, and different character animations that are perfect for everything that you need. Next one is we've got the simple military. So these are really geared up for mobile assets, but this includes characters, vehicles, buildings, props in an even more simplified style, suitable with its own mechanism and FPS hand rig, ready to use these. We've got the simple people, which is a pack of really simplified polygon characters in various different styles with loads of customization in there. We've got the Simple Town, which is a neighborhood and a town with loads of buildings, props, environmental assets, different cottages, colored storefronts, and loads of things for prototyping too. As I said, there is a $10 voucher for the Synty store, which you can get hold of. There is the mech pack, which has hundreds of modular attachments for each of the mech with armor pieces, pilot cockpits, hand cannons, katanas, rifles, swords, and so many more here. We've got the Street Racer, which is an asset pack which includes over 1,000 detailed prefabs, including loads of different customizable vehicles, props, weapons, environmental assets, even things that you can open doors, bonnets, boots, and every single part of the car which is customizable. We've got the arid desert environment biome, which is suitable for a survival game or something like that. So you've got a whole setup with different styles of vegetation, props and other items to create that forgotten land which is not seen rain in a long time, including hundreds of materials, textures, visual effects and props to create your own survival desert wasteland. We've got another one which is a simple cars, which is a set of loads of different cube style cars, from vans to old-fashioned styles to more modern examples. Got the Simple Dungeons, which is a pack of assets in a simple style whether you need modular assets for stairs, props, different boxes, cubes, and many other things to do related to dungeons. Got the sci-fi polygon pack, which is over 500 different assets with various different styles, with 20 characters, all with different styles, weapons, attachments, with sci-fi themed vehicles, and even a massive demo scene to get you started. Then we've got the simple zombies, which is an asset pack to create a bunch of different style zombies across police, pedestrians, doctors, anybody in a suit, and otherwise. And then there's a massive simple props and items and icon pack with hundreds of different regular everyday items, from toolboxes to tablets to pizza to food and everything in between. You can select the bundle that you want and hit checkout, and then you'll get hold of your software once you have made the payment, and you can just click to get your software. And you can see you get two different links. You get the code for the $10 off on the Synty store, or you can claim your key on the Synty store. So say click here to claim your key, and then once you're there and once you've logged in from that little link, it will give you the items for free, and you can see this total savings of around $811, and you can see that it's the bundles of Synty Assets 5, tier 3, or whatever tier that you've chosen, and just click complete the order. And then once you're on your orders page, you can go to the top, which says My Downloads, and you can see your selection of assets in alphabetical order, depending on what you've been able to get before, able to search for the assets like the Arid Desert, which was a new pack that I got today. So I do hope you find this summary useful, and this Synty pack is great for you. Let me know down in the comments if it's interesting. Do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets, projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out all the sales on the Unity Assets store too, and all those things on the Humble Bundle. And a big thank you to all my patrons. Special thank you to Verishuther and Party of 10 for their amazing support. And to everybody else, thank you for coming to watch. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.